Hey, what's good, y'all? So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do the Mystique look from X-Men. I'm going to be using a brush, a normal flat brush, and yes, I'm going to be putting it into this Wolfe FX face paint in the shade of blue. You need some water to activate it, and you're just going to tap it onto your face. Make sure you tap it and not necessarily brush it, because with the brush it's gonna leave some streaks, so just make sure to tap it and get it all in there and those crevices. Alright, so you're gonna want to get a smaller brush too. Okay, I see you. um and get it into your ears, because that's the part that you're gonna miss the most. And also don't be afraid to like get in there and paint the earwax while you're at it. Okay, so real quick, I just want to say that I'm also relatively new to face painting, and I found out in this process that using a flat, soft brush is a lot better than using one of those like big fluffy ones. So you can just do that from the get-go, and you can get a lot better coverage with it. And honestly, the whole point is to look like one of the dudes from the Blue Man Group. So once you get it like that, then you know you're good. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to grab the Morphe 35B palette right here, and you're going to grab that dark blue that's on the right side. You're going to use this to color in the lips, just to make them a different shade from the rest of the body and to kind of just make them stand out a little bit more. After that, you're going to grab this light shimmery blue from the side, and you're going to add it to your eyelids. And this is just to give your eyes a little bit of that pizzazz, you know, that pop, and also just to give them more definition so that they don't just blend in with the rest of your face. Once you're done with that, grab the dark blue again, and you're going to use this for the outer corner of your eyelids to give more definition to your eyes and make it look like you kind of have like a smoky eye going on. Last thing for eyes is to grab the Crème de Couture palette and use that light blue on the bottom left. And you're going to put it on your brow bone just to give it more definition and to make it look a lot more pronounced and elevated. But wait, we're going to use that same color and we're going to make a triangle shape on the face. It's going to go from the inner corner of the eye to a little bit past the outer corner, and it's going to go down to the corner of the mouth. And this is to bring out that part of the face and to give it a little bit more definition. Make sure to take your time with the blending just so that you don't look crazy and lumpy. It's going to be worth it in the end, I promise. And this is also going to keep you looking like one of the dudes from the Blue Man Group. So definitely make sure to put in that extra effort with all the blending and get that nose contour going too. And also don't forget to shade in the bottom half of the jaw just to bring that out and to make it look a lot more defined. Oh girl, it's my favorite part of the video because this is where I snatch my nose. And as you can see, there's like a dark part in the middle of my nose, and I'm going to use that light color that we've been using and put it immediately in the middle. And that way it looks super defined. It looks like I can't even breathe, and that's the whole point. So that's how you snatch that nose. Alright, so Mystique has her hair slicked back. Oh, don't mind my armpit hair. And I'm going to be using this toothbrush, and I'm putting some edge control on it. You can use any type of gel. Oh, hey, that's me singing. But yeah, just lick your entire mane back to get it just like hers. Yo, so my hair took a long time to do, and of course I had to sing in the process, so I just wanted to share with you guys a couple snippets of me actually trying to sing, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Girl, you look so dumb right now. Standing outside my house. Talk about to apologize. You're so ugly when you cry. Please, just cut it out. This is my song, guys. Y'all don't understand. Ooh. Yeah. Sweet love. I didn't mean it when I said I didn't love you so. I should have had on tight, I never should have let you go. Ew, y'all see this?
Alright, so anyways, after that contour, you want to grab yourself a new brush. And this brush, we're going to use it for this red paint. And it's the same brand, Wolfe FX face paint. And of course, you're going to grab some water to wet it. And this is going to go on the hair. Please, people, don't make the same mistake that I made. I was like, oh, if I add more water, it's gonna be better. But clearly not, because as you can see, it just trickles and makes a whole big hot mess. Also, make sure to get it deep into your roots. Make sure you color in that scalp because you want to make it look like you're for real a redhead. And it also just makes it a lot more believable and just ties it all in together a lot better. She also has red eyebrows, so just take out the blue from your eyebrows and then paint them over with some red. Then get yourself a black eyeliner. I'm using the Urban Decay 24/7 Ultra Glide On Pencil in Black. Now that I say that out loud, it's a long name, but I mean, whatever. Just put that on your waterline, and this is just going to make your eyes pop out a little bit more. After that, you're going to grab yourself another black eyeliner, but this is going to be in black. And girl, I honestly don't even know what I was trying to do there, but trying to be cute or whatever. But yeah, you're just gonna use this and you're gonna give yourself a nice pretty little wing to fly away with. And honestly, like this time, I was super impressed with how quickly and efficiently I did my wing. Like I promise you this never happens in real life when I'm actually trying to like make it look good, but like literally in 3 seconds, like I was done. So girl, this was meant to be. To make the eyes really pop, add some silver and put that on the inner corner of the eye just to give it a nice good old icy touch. Next up, grab some lashes. I'm using Lilly lashes in the style Miami. And remember guys, when you're using glue, a little does go a long way, so you don't have to add a super thick layer of it. That way it can actually dry fast enough for you to use it. And then when it comes to putting it on your actual eyelids, give it like 30 seconds to a minute to dry up a bit so that it can be tacky enough to just stick right on. Next up is the Mayron Sin Wax, and this is for the little bumpy stuff that she has on her forehead. I'm gonna use this chiseling tool to take some out. You can use honestly any type of butter knife and you're gonna get that amount. Use some baby oil and you're gonna put the baby oil on your fingertips so that it keeps the wax from sticking onto your fingers. And then you're gonna mold it into the shapes. And then I used wax paper to put it on because it's gonna stick to everything. And then that's how you shape it. And you're gonna use some eyelash glue to paste it onto your forehead. And voila, there we go. Beautiful. Okay, so that part's gonna take forever, but just take your time with it. It really is kind of tricky making the little 3D parts of it. But the next thing that you're gonna do is get some black paint, and then you're gonna paint the rest of them on because yeah, I didn't have the patience to do the 3D mold for every single one of them, but it still gets the job done. And if you're like me and you have super cheap paint, then definitely go over with some black eyeliner to make it more pronounced and defined. And just like that, we're all done. Check it out. Mystique is looking good. Ow. So if you guys like this video, definitely give it a like and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already done so. Also, make sure to click on that little bell to know when I upload new videos. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys very soon.